In a world where innovation meets expertise, the 2024 ISPE Annual Meeting and Expo opens its doors to a future forged in science and technology. Join us in a transformative journey through pharmaceutical science and manufacturing. Witness the fusion of AI, machine learning, and digitalization with the heart of healthcare. Dive into over 42 hours of educational content. Connect across over 16 hours of networking. Explore over 220 exhibitors showcasing the latest in pharmaceutical innovation. This isn't just a conference. It's a community coming together to make a difference.
The annual meeting is a rare opportunity for professionals at all stages of their career to meet and engage and together shape the future of the pharmaceutical industry.
From supply chain resilience to regulatory harmonization, we are setting the pace for the industry of tomorrow. Be part of the change. Be part of the excellence. Be part of the 2024 ISPE Annual Meeting and Expo. Empower your career, enhance your knowledge, and expand your network. Register today.